Hi everybody, in this tutorial video I will try to demonstrate and explain the HVAC module, HDL HVAC module. I will show you how we configure it to our DLP, what is the functionality of our HVAC module, and of course for the installations you are always referred to go to the manual how to install it with your FCU controllers and so on. We have here our HVAC module and we have five light indications here. This is for cooling and heating. The speed of fan, high, medium and low. I will try now to communicate or connect the DLP, configure the DLP to communicate with the HVAC module, and also I will be able to control my temperatures as well as controlling my modes, my fan speed and so on. So if you start looking to the software, simply here I will scan my network, my online devices, I add them here, and also I will look for the air conditioning controllers. The one is installed here in our demo kit. It's an old module. The new modules, it's supporting 3-speed. The old modules support only 2-speed, high and medium or high and low for the fan speed. The one I installed here, it's an old one. I will also show you the new one, how it looks like. It's the same, almost same. So I will open the HVAC module here, just briefly to tell you how it looks like. We have, as you can see, all are similar, all the modules are similar. They have a subnet ID and device ID, some remark where it's installed or support which FCU, like FCU master bedroom as example. Then I put the remark here just to remember where is it installed and so on. I can change the ID if I would like to change from here. Then I will go to setting. Sitting here, you can see I will be able to see some stuff like AC mode, cooling, fan speed, high and all. This is like a testing commands if you would like to test it, if it's working properly or not, just by press, then it will turn on the high and cool and so on. The air conditioning delay, here we have some protection delay. As example, when you turn on the AC, it takes 3 seconds to run and 3 seconds to goes off. This is mainly for protections. We most probably will put it 5 minutes as a standard. Also here we have the delay of the fan. When you press, it will take 3 seconds to run and to switch off. That's our protections. You always try to keep them at 5 seconds and 3 seconds on fan as well. We have here some things for the VAV. If you control, you connect the HVAC modules to the VAV, you can select the percentage of different speed or different opening, shutter open. 10 means it's full open, 10 volt. 5 volt is a medium, 1 is low, it will be like 10% open. That's all. We have also some configurations here of the modes. We have 3 modes, so you can select even cool or heat and so on, and you do some runtime and runtime. So I couldn't be able to see it here because I have a new version of software, but you'll be able to see some runtime of cooling and heating if you would like to select the modes. So that's all what we have to configure in the HVAC module. So we will go to our DLP. The DLP. So just to be informed that the HVAC modules, if you code it or you design it, you should have DLP, because the DLP, only the device will have the screen that can show you the temperatures, and you can change the desired temperatures, set point, you can change the fan speed and all. So basically when you have AC or HVAC modules in your projects, you prefer to have a DLP. So it's like a pair devices, so one HVAC modules go with one DLP. The DLP here, it's open. I will go to the air conditioning functions here, this page, to configure the HVAC. Then here you can see I have my HVAC module, it's enable. I have to select enable, then put the address of my HVAC module. My HVAC modules, as you can see, is 180. so I have to put the ID of that HVAC, it's 80. Then I select which type of HVAC modules I have, old or new. To know about the old and new, simply the new one that have some override switches on the modules itself. So that's all the difference between the old and new. The old doesn't have override switch on the modules, top of the modules, the HVAC module. We have some things here called power on. When the power on go to memory or goes off. So when the power cut, it's like a recovery mode. If you put off, means whatever the power comes up, so it goes off position. Otherwise memory, so it goes to the default preset where it was your AC running through. We recommend to put it always off, because suddenly if you are running your system through generators or power goes on and off, so it may damage your AC. So keep it off, then you are manually, you can go back and turn on your AC. So here we have also adjustment of your panel. Our panel have built-in temperature sensors. So if it doesn't accurate with the current temperatures on your room, you just can minus or plus adjustment of your temperature sensors we mainly use these options to calibrate the thermostat for a calibrations purpose. After you finish, you just always save. This is the configurations mirror. And here we have some test and control sections. After you complete your programming from here, you just have to go and to see if your systems are working properly or not, or it's connected already. You just have to run it from here without even go to the DLP and test it. You can just run it through on here, unlock, lock. So the difference between unlock and lock, you can lock the DLP so no one can change the temperatures or play with. Mainly use it if there is a party mode, and also you can trigger one buttons to unlock all or lock the DLP panel page. Also here we can put some temperatures like 24 and select some modes, high and cool as example, and press, so it will trigger temperature of 24. It's like a testing commands. We have one options here called broadcast functions. When we use the broadcast functions, means we want to broadcast the temperature of our DLP, the 27 shown here. We broadcast it with other modules or other keypad or our DLP, or to logic module, or to backnet module, and so on. So as long as I broadcast, I have to put the address of the device I want to broadcast this temperatures to. Also we have one functions here called slave mode. Slave means if I would like to have some more pages in my DLP to see my kids' room or my kitchens, my living room, or so on, you just have to select number 1, enable, then put the numbers of that DLP on that room. So you can be able to see one more extra page where you can control and monitor the temperatures of that rooms. We have synchronized also control. We can also, if you have 2 DLP in one area and they are controlling the same machine or the same HVAC module, you can put the address of that modules here, like as example it's 81 or 82 or the number 111. So they have 2 DLP, 110 and 111. So both of them are controlling the same HVAC module. So whatever, when I enable this, so we'll be able to synchronize and take the average between both of them. So to control the HVAC module using the sensing the temperatures from the 2 panels and make the average. So simply I just need to save, then automatically one of the pages will be added to my screen. Also we have here, if you are controlling through IR, you can simply press here and put the universal switch of your IR. Prefer to go to the IR sections, then we will teach you how to read the IR and implement it here. Also we have setup here, the setup. If you don't want to see, as example, some fan speed, you don't want to see the heating, as example, if you don't have heating or cooling, you can ignore it from here and just checkbox, just disable the checkbox. You will not be able to see it from the keypad, it will be hidden. We have some power saving here, and We use it to turn off the fan whenever your temperatures will reach to the target set point. So it will turn off the compressor as well as the fan. So they will work together on and off for energy saving. As we can see, it's mentioned here, fan switch off automatically when the target temperature reach. We can also from here change between Fahrenheit and Celsius. You can also, there is, as you know, the DLP, there is a timing, and below you can also see here the format of your time, or the time you want it to be displayed, also the date, the format. We have temperature range also. If you select here as example between 20 to 28, so the client in the cooling range will not be able to exceed or to go below 20 degrees. So the range of the temperatures set point will be between 20 and 28 as example, or 80. Also you can do for the rest of the things if you have heating and auto range and dry as well. We can select auto range and cooling. So if you are using heating as well, you can select whatever temperature range for heating. Also we have one more functions here for sensors. As you know, the DLP have a built-in sensors, as we can say it's a built-in sensors. Most of the switches we have, it's built-in temperature sensors. So here we have refer to the internal sensors, means the DLP will read from the built-in sensors. In case it's too far and you want to use an alternative solutions, you can also refer to outdoor sensors, means as example the motion detectors or another keypad where you want to get the temperature from. You just need to put the address of that device here, then it will pull up the temperatures from that keypad to run the AC. Also refer to average value. Average value means our internal sensors plus some other sensors to give us the average value. So I hope you understand what I mean about average value. Means if I have a room and I have two keypads, so it will take the reading from the two keypad, then calculate the average, then it will show the average value on the display of your keypad. That's all about what we talk about in the AC. So you can see now when I simply press here, I'll be able to go to the keypad and select the AC page. I have my AC page here. You see the temperature is 27. I have on and off buttons here. We have temperatures up and down using these two buttons here, left and right. We have also the fan speed, where I can see medium, low, high, auto, medium, low and high. We have also cooling, heating and so on. You can see also the lights are changing here based on whatever setup. As high as example, it will goes to high. Then if I change to cool, it will run the cool mode, as so on. So my AC now is being operated by my keypad. Thank you for watching, and that's all about the AC. Please, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to post it below, and subscribe to our channel. You will be able to get more videos and more updates on the upcoming systems, devices and developments. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.